Hey everybody, hope you had a fabulous weekend. Let's get started. First, all of a sudden, everybody has become Sheldon. I know I've become a Sheldon too. Today, on Monday, April 6th, it is National Caramel Popcorn Day, New Beer's Eve. I think that has something to do with National Beer Day on Tuesday. National Sorry Charlie Day. I don't know what that one is. National Student Athlete Day. National Tartan Day. A tartan is like that, like Scottish Argyle kind of, you know, plaid print. National Teflon Day. Teflon, really cool thing that's used. It's used in pans, nonstick pans. It is a slippery coating. And scientists invented it. The DuPont company actually invented it. And then Tuesday, April 7th, National Beer Day. I guess that has to do with New Beer's Eve too. National Coffee Cake Day. Oh, I love coffee cake. National Girl Me Too Day. So, girl, me too. And then National No Housework Day. So, if your parents ask you to do something, there you go. And there's also National Sexual Assault Awareness Month, Day of Action, the first Tuesday in April. So we've been talking a lot about reproduction and yeah, be nice to each other, be nice to other people, do things that they want you to do. Um, when we get into our assignments here, we have extra. We have the Team Flipgrid. Today is a little TikTok video. Mrs. Outhout is putting together a video of people dancing, and we're gonna make like a team video thing. And so we'll collect it so you can like TikTok or dance. Just a couple of seconds is all that's needed. Um, I'd like you to do it maybe landscape, like when you do record put your phone like this so that they all turn out without all the bars on the side. So put it landscape, not portrait. And then I haven't come up with anything else to do like we had last week with our GeoGuessr. But on our GeoGuessr challenge, Hutto got exactly there. He was literally on target. That was awesome to see. Getting into our work today, if you want to come conference with me at any point, you're more than welcome to do that. I saw Evie and Catherine and Kaylee on there. And then I saw lots and lots of you at our Zoom meeting. We probably had about 25 kids. If you're going, huh? What Zoom meeting? Well, it's really easy. Look at the top of our distance learning assignments. And there wasn't really an announcement for these Monday and Tuesday, but there definitely was one here. It said Friday, April 3rd at 1:30. We're going to have a Zoom meeting. I think what we're going to do is we're going to have a couple of these throughout the week, and then we're trying to have like a whole team meeting, like literally with the gavel and everything. So stay tuned and look at those things. I'll also mention them in the video. So if you're here doing that, then you'll see that. Um, not many questions, not any questions, in fact. So good luck on your quiz. I guess you don't have anything that you wanted me to really go through and explain. As for our work today, you're watching the science video, which is the first one. Then I want you to review your study guide in Google Classroom. So there it is, the Quiz 8 study guide. I graded all of them. I even graded ones that weren't turned in. If they looked complete, I gave it a grade. So look over the notes that I added in there. I think it also emails you and tells you I put notes in there. But there's that. Then take your quiz in Schoology. It's in the assessments folder, and I'll show you that in a second. And then we have the Pear Deck, which is the explore our engage activities for our next scope, which our next scope is growth of organisms. So here is our quiz. It's in the assessments folder as it always is. It's called 2020 Topic 1 Quiz, Reproductions in Plants and Animals. I call it Quiz 8. So that's kind of the nomenclature I'm using. And then after that, you're going to log in and you're going to do just a couple of engage activities. Um, talking about tree rings and growth and the significance of them. And you're going to read each statement and say whether you think it's correct or incorrect, something we've been doing for a long time with our Accessing Prior Knowledge or APK. Watch a couple of videos, answer some questions about them, do the hook, and that the Pear Deck should not take a whole lot of time. If you take your quiz today and you don't like your score, look later in the week. I'll have stuff about retake process. but one of those things will be having all of your work done. I'm not going to let you retake your quiz until you have all your work done. So anyway, have a fabulous time. If you have any questions, come over to Schoology Conferences and ask, or email me, and I'd be happy to see you. So have a great time. See you later.